What is algebra? It is a branch of mathematics that generalizes arithmetic operations by using symbols separately from numbers and creating equations. This statement, al-cabr, was first published in 9th century. It was used by the Harezmi of Turkestan. In algebra, the fact that numbers carry positive f or negative dash signs distinguishes it from arithmetic. In fact, in arithmetic, numbers only declare the amount, size, or distance from a point of something. Algebraic numbers also show the direction of the numbers relative to 0. The value carried by the digit, without taking into account the plus or dash sign in front of an algebraic number, is called the absolute value of the number. The letters used in algebra are meant to generalize the results reached. The generalized form of any problem is called a formula. Algebra. In arithmetic, with 4 basic operations consisting of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, ratio and proportion, factorization, etc. Such operations are also done in algebra. Only in these, some rules are taken into account. Algebra equations, on the other hand, serve to find the unknown with the help of the known. Algebra is not a branch of science. It is known to have found application since thousands of years ago. In 800 years, the Arabs introduced zero into algebra, revealing the greatest development in the history of mathematics. Marx used 16. Settled in the century, equations of grades 3 and 4 were solved. 17. Classical higher algebra from the 19th century. In the first half of the century, modern higher algebra was born. The difference between arithmetic and algebra is that although arithmetic deals with concrete quantities, the value of the symbols used in algebra may remain outside a certain deciduous number body. Algebra, in its most general form, is divided into elementary algebra and modern algebra. Elemental algebra. Positive and negative numbers, 1, 2, 3, n. As with natural numbers, the process of collecting can always be done. But extraction is not always possible. It was for this reason that the concept of negative numbers was switched. A set of numbers consisting of positive, negative, and 0 is a set of integers. Modern algebra. Although its foundation dates back to very old times, its development was very rapid in the century, because it is seen as a new mathematical system, sets, operations and shall provide the facilities that are not possible in some elementary algebra. A simple example of these is the clustering of different elements of the genus. A set is a collection of elements with common properties. A curly is expressed by placing decals between elements in parentheses or by showing elements in a closed curve. What does algebra mean in the dictionary? 1. Hard. 2. A branch of mathematics that establishes general correlations between positive and negative real numbers and quantities using letters that replace them. December quantities used